Facebook denies doing physical verification of Delhi man for a post after a report claimed a Facebook representative reached the Delhi man's house for his physical verification over a political post. The social media giant on Sunday denied such conduct. Facebook only does physical verification of advertisers planning to run political ads or issues of national importance, Facebook said. The man had claimed he was asked for Aadhaar and other documents. Google launches its first drone delivery service in Australia. Google parent Alphabet has beat Amazon to launch one of the first commercial drone delivery businesses. Alphabet made its first delivery in Canberra on Tuesday after getting approval from the country's Civil Aviation Authority. Wing, the company's drone delivery arm, was testing drone delivery in Australia since 2014 and delivered medicines, chocolate to 3,000 homes in the last 18 months. Windows 10 drops default option to safely remove USB drive. Microsoft has announced that it is dropping the default option to safely remove USB drives in the latest version of the Windows 10 operating system. This year, the default policy for removable storage devices in the Windows 10 1809 build is now quick removal. The Safely Remove hardware process protects data on the USB drive by making sure all cached operations finish. Social media firms to remove unlawful content within 2 hours ahead of 2019 general elections. Social media firms have agreed to remove unlawful content which violates 48-hour media silence rule within 2 hours instead of previously agreed 3 hours, as per Internet and Mobile Association of India. However, IAMAI requested EC that the 3-hour period stay in place to ensure that participants get enough time to acknowledge and process violations.